Yeah,
Hindi mo dalawa?
I cannot know how, I still didn't know how to speak my Tagalog yet. I didn't learn my Tagalog yet.
Yung classmate ko yung mag-English, Stephanie, yung alam lang niya na Tagalog ano. Ako, si
At tama, bakit hindi sunod-sunod yung sulat mo din eh? Yan na dyan, tamang ang daming pagitan.
Oh, I thought I was already at the right page. I forgot. Oh, yeah, you're supposed to be ready, right? I forgot.
the gun down instead.
Damn.
No. You're not
I told
going.
wait lang. I told you this like a million times. Use your boy voice, not a girl voice.
Yeah, no.
We have to restart. Well, we have to restart.
Put down the gun. Put down the gun instead.
Put the gun down instead. I keep telling you that. Just read it already. I'm tired.
Put the gun down instead. No.
I keep
Yeah.
telling you to flip.
That is my
Okay, you said. You said.
You're not going to leave me alone, Bob.
Bob the.
I mean, Mob.
Yo, we're missing this. The red one.
Not you. Remember.
He's somewhere on there. Just do it.
Remember, you're mine. I'm going to bring you back. I promise.
Why do I sound like this? Swear? What the? I cannot swear, so I can.
Oh, hey, Bob.
But
How
I
are
keep telling you it's not
I
fun.
mean, hey, Bob. I mean, hey, Mob. How are you, Phil?
Cut with the acting, Birdie. What did you do?
What I do?
What did I do?
What did I do? I brought you back. Unlike you kept my promise.
No, unlike you.
Unlike you, I keep my promises. And I already told you more than once.
You might get jump scared by 1 second.
You're mine. Mob mine.
What? But we're already recording.
Not even just lads party.
Yes, we're gonna do a part 2. This is where I found it. Look what I found. Stop, Birdie. I'm sorry. Forgive me, please.
Oh, Mob.
I'm too lazy, so let's just.
I don't really believe you anymore. You proved to me that
No,
we can.
no, let me do it. Let me do this voice for me, okay? You told me that we can trust you with guns here. No objects. Okay, do it. Do your voice.
Like, don't worry. I think the perfect finally understanded, Mob. It's not just
It's so concerned.
concern.
It's obsession.
It's
Yeah.
obsession.
I also believe you, Birdie. I also believe you. It's like I told you before, you were the only one to come. Like now, I don't want to lose you.
No. I won't lose you.
Part 3. I mean, he did say that the gun was for Mom. Oh my god, look what he's thinking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. No. But I just realized his skin color changed. Did you realize that?
No.
It's changed. It was black now. It's... Wait lang. Oh, look at him. Look at them. Oh.
Screenshot mo kaya?
Ayoko na. Pa-screenshot na nga.
Oh.
I don't wanna.
Ikaw na natin yung video.
Wait. What the am I looking at? Just hold on, yo. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my god. Why is my voice like this? Like, oh yeah, false.
Can you do the
What?
comic double for chicken? The present for dad?
Later. We'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it
You're so
tomorrow.
lazy.
What the? Shut your piss ass. Oh, I'm gonna find something. I'm too bored. Wait, look, it's hold on, I know this. I know this. You'll never know. No? Fine. Save it if you want. What? I don't see anything. It looks the same. There's nothing. Brother, my hand! You're trying to poison.
I got the dress and make me a prince. I got the heels. I got the dress and makes me a
I'm too lazy, guys, so please do not tell me to do my. No, we're not doing that. We're not telling that to kids. Okay, we're already here.
Sige, kung ayaw mo, bahala kayo ko na.
Ayan na naman, galit ka na naman.
Oh, mali ako. I thought I was like.
Hihirang pa lang alam ang ginagamit mo, nagagalit
Deborah,
ka pa.
what is that Deborah handle? Don't you say you're too lazy to me? Yeah.
What?
Don't you see? Don't.
Ayaw mo ba? Ayaw mo ba?
No.
You said I was lazy, so I guess we're not.
If it's the I'm the princess dude. Okay, I'm gonna be the blue dude.
If it was okay.
He looks like a shivered upgrade.
You made a bracelet?
Same thing, smartass.
Poor Mr. 007, always working 3 jobs in order to provide for us. If only we could do something to thank him.
Get a job instead of lazy mopping around the house.
Very funny, Blue. Why don't you get a job since you're older than all of us?
I would. If you can drag us. My ass.
You want to test me, Miss Friend?
Bring it on.
But like Barbie.
But like Barbie.
Who's naked?
Guys! Why?
Don't we get some lemonade to buy that a present?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye. Okay, sugar check. Water and sugar check. All we need left are the lemons. Seriously, where are those two? I've told them to get lemons 2 hours ago.
We're here.
Took you guys long enough. Nah, where's this lemons I told you to get?
Yeah, we brought tons.
What's up?
So that's enough now?
Wait lang, I'm just gonna say to my fellow subscribers from my channel, sorry y'all if my voice changed, okay? Enough! That's more than enough for my budget. What did you boys do? Because I know for a fact we have like $20 to buy at least 4 lemons, not 400. I swear if you stole from the market again.
Relax, bird brain. We didn't steal it from
The market again.
market again.
So where do you
Sorry,
actually get those lemons?
None of your business. Lemon orchard. Meanwhile,
Let's just make the lemons before father comes home. Why do I still use my fucking mob voice? Alright, okay, wait then. Alright everyone, I'll take stand, Ludo, you'll be advertising our stand.
whatever.
And Cooked, you'll be handling the game.
Okay.
Go by now. Auto. Okay, it's level 42, 44, 46. Wow, $50. That's like a ton in this economy.
What? Sorry, guys.
He's still a new learner of reading.
Yeah. So read that. I will read the blue and you will be Pretty Princess and Cookie.
And what about 007?
Me.
Okay. So, what are we gonna buy? Okay. Well, I was thinking of gifting him a giant bouquet of flowers. An elegant gift like ma. I'm sure Mr. 007 will definitely love those.
Boring. Oh.
Hurry up.
The treat will be
B, walang B.
wilt in a day or two. I said, give the old man pizza. It's so much better than silly bouquet of flowers.
Well, aren't we forever banned from every pizza joint?
Thirds, you're right, for once.
Then what do we give toward that? I have something in mind. Sorry if my cool kid voice and pretty princess sound like the same.
And me to the blue dude.
Shut up.
Did you just said a bad
It's called
word?
Saibao.
Oh. Yes, our luck. They're all settled.
Unfortunately so. Attention shoppers, the store will be closed. Begin closing in 1 hour because I'm a child. Kid! Oh my god, this little tiny leggy.
Who is that? Who's that?
Pretty
Tiny
princess.
hair thing. Alright. Who says we have 1 hour to find the perfect gift for our old dad split and
Up and go.
yeah, up and go.
Not here. None over there.
Oh, not here.
After 10 minutes of searching because I'm a child. Oh, so pretty fun. It's going to love this, and for $40, this is a steal. Oh, wait, I'm
Can we spend the rest of the cash for food?
No,
Why?
because I'm putting it in the piggy bank.
Stingy.
I am not being thinking. I'm trying to save money so that we can buy another something better next year.
Chips are like chip. Come on, just one bag or two.
No means no food. Now get your ass moving before father notices we're not home. Dun, 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 dun. Ah! Oh.
Crap.
No, anong crack?
Kids! There you are.
There you
I-
three are. There you
There-
are.
There you are. I was worried about you all evening. What did you What did I tell you about going outside after sundown without telling me? Like that. Like what if you all went missing one day or get kidnapped? You know how worried I get.
You're all gone for too long. Huh?
What? Oh, mind telling me what happened? Oh, no, please don't cry.
We were trying to give a thank you gift so we start. Oh, ako ba si Blue Dude?
No.
I know this.
So we are
How long has
trying.
it been? Oh my god, it's been 30 minutes.
We are trying to get you a thank you gift. So we start selling lemon. Mean what?
Lemonine one?
Lemonade. While you're away.
And we use the money to buy you a mug with a stupid cat. Yup, stop sniffing.
Sabi sa.
Jumped and broke it.
Tuntua ka, no?
We just wanted to make
Tuntua ka, no?
weird.
Ayaw daw niya mag-tutor dito, eh.
Ha?
Sabi mo.
Hindi ko sinabi yun. Ayun ko na.
Kung nga, putol yung internet.
Okay naman.
Oh, kids, it's okay.
Okay naman.
You
Wala-
don't
wala pang
have
bayad.
to buy anything for me.
Bukas di ka na makakalaro niyan.
But you always work so hard for it. It's
Oo,
logical.
tara. Bukas di ka na.
Teka, gamitin ko na lang yung cellphone ng kuya ko pa ako na uwi.
Eh, dito, di ka
To get you
makakano.
up.
Sabihin mo,
To show we love you.
That's okay.
I'm a child.
You kids already bring my dad
My
every
dad,
day.
anong dad?
My day every day. Every time I come home from work, seeing you three is already enough of thank you gift for me and myself. Where's my lollipop? I love you. Either way, it's one of it. I'm glad to get to be a father of 3 amazing children.
Oh wait, I forgot.
Alright, kiddos. Wanna help my glue this?
Heck
Mug
yeah.
go.
Oh yes, I'll get the glitter glue.
Oy, ako yun.
Oh, ako si Pretty
Ayaw
Princess.
na. Glitter glue. Lame.
Whatever.
Amazing.
We are finished.
The end.